guys, and welcome back to the Ringer 57 YouTube channel. Today we got a few more goodies in the house, but today we're going to focus on installing that air shifter. Now, I've spoken with another individual who's already got an air shifter on his Bandit, and I love his setup. It's clean. So, I'm going to go ahead and try and duplicate that to the best of my ability. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you watch till the end, you'll see one more of the goodies, and that's one of the next ones to go on. Alright guys, and here we are. We've adjusted the shift lever way down. Now, it's not optimal to do that, but it'll work. It's still going to have plenty of ground clearance, and it sets me up where I need to be up here. So I've gone and picked up some hardware to try and replicate what this other individual is already doing. Now, I don't have his permission to use his name on here, so I won't be able to tell you who it is, but you know who you are, and you get credit for this, because dang, your setup's clean. So, got a little long on the bolt, because I can always cut it down. But we're going to go right about there, straight through. Seems about spot on where I want to be. I'll do some grinding down there to clean that up. Make it pivot nicer on that, but yeah, right about there. So what I'm going to do to mark this, because I'm a cheater when it comes to this stuff, is I'm just going to give this bolt a little tap. And hopefully it dings my ridiculously expensive powder coat. So we're going to line it up right about straight center with that. Right about there. Ought to work perfect. Look at that. We got a nice little mark right there. That'll work perfect. So I'm going to drill through that, through the backside, and then I've got a spacer that is actually the exact thickness I need to get through this. So I'm going to drill it out to this, nut both sides of it, put a spring on here to retain this outward and let it float. We should be golden on the mounting. Then I just need to clean this up enough to be able to slide this on and off easily without it binding and hanging like it is. Drill the hole and pin it. Run the air line up through the cover and through this side. The world should go around. We'll come up to our Mac valve mounted up high. Alright guys, and that's the install so far. I like it. I've liked it since I saw his picture last night. It is awesome. It is sturdy. It is allowed to float. So it wants to be where it wants to be. It moves with the linkage just fine. And we got the hose run. So the next step, we got to mount up this Mac valve. Now, in my case, I'm going to mount it up here, up underneath, and I'll run the air hose to that. And normally you would wire this up to a kill box and a push button. In my case, the micro squirt has auto shift. Well, it's not auto shift per se, it's push button shift, but it's got a window switch. So you just keep the button constantly pushed and it shifts. I have it on a switch. And you'd mount an air tank. I don't have an air tank. I have it in the arm. So I'll have to run another line from the arm to this Mac valve, but that's not a huge deal. Let's go ahead and get this installed quick. Alright guys, and you'll have to excuse the dog, but everything's mounted up and functioning as it should. The Mac valve is mounted down here, and we have the line coming through here, making a loop and coming into the back side of it, back there. You can kind of see it past that red wire back here. And then the feed into the Mac valve from the air is going to be right here. So, we got to get the swing arm to get that hooked up. But for now, I've been going through buttoning up wiring, making sure everything's got good connections, good plugs, pinning out new plugs for all my signals. Like this one would be wideband, nitrous, air shifter. This single over here is the power out to this plug, which goes to the air shifter. So I don't know why I double plugged that. It really didn't make sense, but I did it anyway. Oh, it's because I got it loomed into the harness. Yeah, that's right. So anyway, we're running out of fused circuits here shortly. We've got, let's see, go through the map. Nitrous control, purge control. Now those are on a separate 8-gauge power supply for power. Charging system, activator. The charging system output goes up to the battery direct. Air shifter, everything. Now, we got both control and draw on that, which isn't a big deal. It really isn't. Now, we got ignition 1 and 2. It's all one for the coils. Injector 1, injector 2. Wideband and USB. So I've got 3 fused slots left. Now, I don't think I have anything else to add to this right now. All my power should be back here. Nope, I got one more. It's going over here. Fuel pump. Forgot about that. Got to run a hot wire from here up to the pump, and from the pump back up to the grounding block. Which the only thing currently on the grounding block is the wideband and the accessories. The USB power, which is for my Bluetooth adapter. Thanks for watching the Ringer 57 YouTube channel, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. There'll be more to come. The swing arm's coming. We got the shock today. We got a few things today, so we'll continue moving forward. Thank you.